Hello children. Today we continue our first chapter. Today we discuss about estimating sum or difference. Already children you know how to convert estimating number. So children, first you see some examples. Example 32. Estimate 87 plus 34. So children, first you convert 87 and 34 to the estimated number. Like this you write 87 round up to 90, then 34 round up to 30. Then simply addition you do. Then you write estimated sum. Okay. Let's turn the page. Then next example is 33. Find a rough estimate of 6822 plus 585. Also find a closer estimate. So children, first you find out rough estimate, then you find out closer estimate. Rough estimate is 7000, then 1000. So the sum is 8000. Then we find out now what? Closer estimate. Closer estimate is round up to nearest 100. Here you rounding up to nearest thousands. Okay. Then see 6822 rounds up to 6800. Then 585 rounds up to 600. So the estimated sum is 6800 plus 600 equal to 7400. This is the closer to the actual sum. So the estimated is this one and closer estimate is this one. Then next example, estimate these numbers. Also find the actual sum. You have to find out the estimated and closer actual sum. First you convert them to round up to the estimated number. 4583 rounds up to 5000. Then 2039 rounds up to 2000. 7325 rounds up to 7000. Like this you convert. Then estimated sum. These are the estimated numbers you add. Then actual sum means children, what are the numbers given, you just add. Okay. 4563, 2039, 7325. Maybe here some printing mistake. 7325. Okay. Here you add. Then thus the actual sum is very close to the estimated sum. Then example 35. Estimate 78 minus 52. These are the sum. Okay, we discussed whatever these are the sum. Now we discuss what? Difference. Find the actual difference also. Here also you first estimated number, then find out the actual difference also. Rounding up the given numbers to the nearest tens. We have 80. 78 round up to 80. Then 52 round up to 50. An estimated difference of 78 and 52 is 30. Actual difference means children, whatever the numbers given you just do difference. 78 minus 52 is 26. Understood children? Okay. Then next example, estimate this number and this number. This number subtract this number. Rough estimate first you do. Here you see children, rough estimate means here it is written 50,000. 53,999. The estimated number is 50,000. Then 45,712. The estimated number is 50,000. If you do like this, your answer will be 0. So this one is meaningless. So you don't do like this. Hence, round up to nearest thousands. 53,999 rounds up to 54,000. 45,712 rounds up to 46,000. Now you subtract, then you find out what? 8,000. This is correct, but you don't do like this. Then next example children, estimate 54,860 minus 54,610. Here round up to nearest thousands. Here also you see same. Answer is 0, so it is meaningless. Hence round up to the nearest 100. Estimated difference is 54,900. Here 54,860 means here round up to the 54,900, and this one is 54,600. Then the difference is 300. Hence, we need to be careful in estimating the given number. So, children, you should careful what number is to nearest value and what number is to be estimated number. Then next example, estimate these two numbers by rounding up the numbers of their greatest places. Also find the closer estimate. So first you see estimated number. The greatest place in 6,552 is thousands place, whereas the greatest place in 547 is hundreds place. So rounding up to the nearest thousand, 6,552 is what? 7,000. Rounding up the nearest 100 is 547. What? 500. So estimated difference is this one, means 6,500. And the closure, here also question is what children? Also find the closure estimate. Next solution is what? For the closure estimate, we round up to the nearest 100. Rounding up to the nearest 100 is 6,600. Rounding up to the nearest 100, 547 is 500. Here 6,100 is the answer. This is the better and more closer estimate. So children, clear these examples? Okay, again you see these examples. Exercise 1.5. This is the numbers. First one is estimate each of the following sums. 325. 325. The estimated number is what children? Tell me. Yes, 400. Then the estimated number of 587 is? Yes, 600. So, what you write? First you convert the estimated number this one and this one. Then you add. You follow the examples. Okay. Then B number you do yourself. Then next C number. C number is what? 5,649 plus 218. So children, here estimated number is what? 5,600. Then here, yes, 200. Then you add the answer. Then D number you do yourself. 2 number, give a rough estimate and also a closure estimate to the following sums. So here children, we have to find out rough estimate and closure estimate. First you do rough estimate. Rough estimate means, children, what you do? Let's see. 2a. 215 plus 599. Like this you write. Rough estimate is 200 and 800. Then you add. Then closure estimate is, children, 220. Then 800. Then you add. Okay, like this you adding. This is rough estimate. This is closure estimate. Then, children, C number to C. B number you do yourself. 8,305 plus 6,587. Here also you do rough estimate and closure estimate. Here rough estimate, if you see, do like this. 8,000 plus 7,000. Then you add. Then 8,300. Then 6,600. Here also, children, you put the symbol plus. Okay. So like this, children, you complete 1 and 2. And like 1 and 2, 3, 4 also the same. Estimate the following difference. Here sums written, here difference. First you convert estimated number, then you do difference. Then give a rough estimate and also a closure estimate. Like same, 2 and 4 are same, but here sums is there, here difference. So first, children, you do rough estimate, then you do closure estimate. Before you do this exercise, again you see properly the examples. Okay, so this is your homework, children. You complete in your copy. Thank you.